a nice porridge. Okay, I'm Faith Nana, and 15048, 2022. We'll be talking about the continental drift theory today. What's our date today? 21st. 31st October 2024. Thank you. Okay, as you all know, first and foremost, what is the shape of the earth? Yes, Nelly? Spherical. Yeah, the shape of the earth is oblate spherical. So before the tensional forces and all the internal forces acting on the world, the earth was a big mass called Pangea. Due to the forces acting on it, Pangea broke into two. Into the upper one, that is tensional forces acting on the world, the earth was once called Pangea, a big mass. The big mass was surrounded by a big ocean called Panthalassa. Due to the forces, Pangea broke into two. We had the Laurasia on the upper face, the northern, and Gondwanaland on the southern hemisphere. We had the, you have saying? It's on the southern hemisphere, and the Laurasia on the northern hemisphere. So, and it was separated by a narrow ocean called Tethys. It's kind of like this. We have said that the earth was a big mass called Pangea, and it was surrounded by an ocean called Panthalassa. Due to the forces acting on the earth broke into two. We had Gondwana on the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere, and Laurasia on the northern hemisphere. Right? And the two were divided by an ocean called Tethys. It was separating the southern hemisphere from the northern hemisphere. The Tethys is the present Mediterranean Sea. Alright? Yeah, so after a period of time, Laurasia broke into various continents that we have at the moment. Example, we have Europe, Asia, and North America. And the Gondwanaland, which is the southern hemisphere, broke into various places that we have the present one, like Africa, through the whole process of the continental drift theory, how it came up and formed the Gondwanaland and the Laurasia and the plates in it, correct? Okay, so the next are the evidence supporting the theory, the continental drift theory. What are the evidence that you know? Yes, Nelly? Continental jigsaw fit. Yeah, the continental jigsaw fit, yes. Climatology. Due to the climate, we have the tropical vegetation that are evidence said to be abundant, which brings up the cold, right? And the jigsaw, we have the western coast of Africa and the southern, bringing a jigsaw fitting into each other, right? So in the next class, we shall be discussing more about the evidence supporting our theory, and we shall be illustrating which brought it into place. So this is our assignment. I hope you do it by the next of our class. In your group, discuss the evidence and plate tectonic theory. That is what we shall be doing on in our next class. Plate tectonic theory. understood the whole process and meet you in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon.